Hey guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm back. It's been a long summer. We've been rocking it out, super busy, wrapping cars, doing stuff. I want to show you what we're working on. A new car. I wish it was my new car. It's not my new car. One day I'll buy this car. Not right now. We're waiting this to take off though. This car is the new ZR1 from Chevrolet. The most badass car on the planet right now in my mind. 2 turbos, not just one. They deleted the frunk, which who needs that anyway? Look, so they can have airflow and a radiator. Way cooler. We took these pieces off already, so you're not gonna see it all together. Because, well, let me show you the pieces I took off and I'll tell you what happened. I put them all in the trunk because I didn't want to lose them like last time. Let me just get around my big wang. Pardon me, my big wang. Oh, hang on, don't drop this. Let me tell you a little story. So you guys won't mess this up. When you're taking this mirror off, we took off the door panel like we normally do, which you can see in here. See, like we took it all off. And we're like, man, we can't figure out how to get to the mirror. So we took this off, took the speaker out, couldn't get up in there. Like, what are we doing? Oh, we'll just look on YouTube, right? Surely, yeah, there's a YouTube video about it. And they're like, oh, you just get the bolts out from here. And we'll pop this little thing off. Popped it off. And I was like, dude, hey, put the door panel back together, get the bolts from the outside. But we didn't think about the plug. So after we get the door panel, we take it off again, and then we unplugged it and then took it off. It was a process, you know, just a learning process really. But that's how they all are. So if you need to do that, you need the door panel off, and then you're gonna need to get it from the outside. But don't do what I did, which is like put the door panel on and on like 5 times. So it wasn't a big. And then this piece is like, what is this? We've decided this spoiler is like $10,000 or something, or $8,000 or $25,000. There's all these different views. But part of the carbon fiber package is this little piece up here. And check it out. Check it out. It goes right here. It's like a little crown because it's king. Sick. Oh my God, I love this car so much. If I could change anything, it'd be this. I don't understand this whole wire thing. It's a little too simple for me. Like, I don't make cars, I don't build cars. Take my opinion for what it is. But I would have made this a little more flashy. I would have made it like a little cooler. If you're out there listening, GM, I'd take my advice. This is the first one we've seen with the blue wheels. I'm so hyped about it. So like, it's really cool to see like the first one. It's awesome for us. But the customer's like, hey dude, I like these wheels, let's match them. And I'm like, dude, they don't make a vinyl that matches them. And he's like, don't care, like really, like just figure it out. And like, so I've been figuring it out. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm like, well, what do you want? He's like, just make it look cool. So what we're gonna do is like these like cool stripes that like flow into the waterfall of this and then flow out and then flow and point and stop right at the stealth badges that we've removed already. And they're gonna run, he wants them to go over the roof, where we may be going over the roof, covering up this pretty carbon fiber, and then we're gonna pull the stripes out of here. So I'm gonna try to leave the stripes off the roof, pull them through here, and have them end right here at the badge in the back. And you really don't wanna break anything. Looks sick. Andre's been cranking it away on it, and then it's got the black tips, you know what I mean? Look at this. This thing is so gangster for real. The rotors, calipers, so shiny, beautiful. Brand new. Oh, they redesigned the dash inside. You guys seen this yet? My buddy was telling me about this, and I'm like, it won't be a big deal. It's a way big deal. Look how much cooler it is. Look how cool it is. Look how cool it is. Oh, I mean. This is like 1,060 horsepower or something like that, right? Is that right? They tested the top speed at 231. Holy moly. That's fast, bro. So that was with the coupe, so it has an extra airlet right up here, right? This might be just a hair slower. Whoa, it's so slow, bro. So a guy came in today, he's one of my guys with the Lambos, and he came in, he has an Aventador, 18 Aventador. And he was blowing his car. He's like, oh my God, ZR1. And he was like taking selfies. He had me take a picture with the car. I'm like, bro, you have an Aventador. Like, you have an Aventador outside. And he's like, no, I like it, the ZR1. He's like, I've been dreaming of this car. He's like, actually, this car, my car, he said his car is turned up to 900 and some horsepower. He said, this car will dog walk his car. And I'm like, I'm paraphrasing, obviously. But he said he was the first one in his car group to send a picture of the ZR1. He's got like, they daily drive exotics, and he loves this car. And so I was like, man, that's saying something. Imagine having a Lambo and being like, I'd love to have the CR1. I'd love to have the Chevy. You know what I mean? That's saying something, dude. You did something right. You know what I mean? But we were so hyped when we were getting this. It was supposed to be a regular Z06, and the guy was like, supposed to have it paint protected, and then I was on my honeymoon in Key Largo, chilling on the beach, and the dude texted me, like, hey, by the way, I traded it for a ZR1. And I'm like, that was quick. Like, when I was leaving, he was buying the Z06, and before I came back, it was a ZR1. I was like, a lot happened in a week. Like But super stoked about doing this car. This is actually my dream car right now. I would love to buy this car. If I was balling out of control, I'd have one of these right now. They're so sexy. I love these cars. This smells like victory and winning. Oh my God. Hi, Alicia. Say hi to Alicia, everybody. Hi. Oh, new tools. Bro, guys, let me tell you, this week is crazy. Guys, I want you to know this week's crazy, and this is why. I told everybody the same deadline. All these cars gotta be out at the same time. I wish I was joking, but it's for real. like this car, this guy's like, hey, I need it by like Friday. Like he said like the 18th or 16th or something. In my mind, that sounded like far away. And I was like, oh yeah, that's not too, this is way far away. And I'm like, oh, that's Friday. And then we've got this Zamboni. Come check this out. You ever seen a Zamboni? It's from like Bass Pro, which I don't know if you guys know what Bass Pro is, but around here they're a big deal. They're kind of nationwide, but they're doing like this big, let me show you what it looks like. Alex, here, hold this, bro. Okay. Santa Claus is coming to town, and Show Me Tint's helping Santa Claus get there in a Zamboni. It's gonna go in this, like this. Hang on. Hang on. It's gonna go right here. We had to make some minor adjustments so Santa Claus's head didn't get beefed up in the curves. We got to put it behind the exhaust, which is not cool. And yeah, we have like 4 days to wrap this thing. Sick, super sick. As long as we don't have any other wrenches thrown in the plan at Show Me Tint, I'm sure it's gonna be super easy.
It's Show Me Tint. It's gonna happen.
Oh, bro, I'm stressed out already. I'm just kind of on a honeymoon and I'm stressed out. It did go so well. We just didn't do a lot of work, that's all. Look at this. And then, if you don't know about this about Zambonis, they have, I guess, nails in their tires or some shit. Look, studded tires, so they beat up my floor all bad. And I didn't know that, so I had Alex like reposition it for a video. And so I had him like drive it all around and it just chewed up the floor. And I didn't know that until afterwards, so that sucked. No big deal, no big deal. You know what I mean? Just whatever. But yeah, we're rocking it out this week. We got a lot going on. I mean, I'm talking like wrapping cars, other cars, trailer wraps. Bro, we're busy. We're gonna drop this out and then you're gonna be like, boom. Here's a video of it finished. Did they make it happen? Did we make the, shake your head, yes, Alec, don't shake your head, no, you freaking, nah, yes, dude, yes. You gotta envision victory first. We got this. Wrapping 2 cars, one of the most rarest and one that's the most weirdest. So, no problem, we got this. We can do it. See you soon. Check the next video. See if it happens. If it doesn't happen, I'll tell you the truth. We make it or not, we're gonna be down to the wire. If you still see these cars not done, you know I'm boned, no big deal, so. Check us out, okay? Hit the like button, share this button, see what the stripes look like. Come back and tell your friends. Show Me Tint rules.